Little India area, Singapore. Part 14. Little India is an ethnic district in Singapore. It is located east of the Singapore River, across from Chinatown, located west of the river and north of Kampong Glam. Both areas are part of the urban planning area of Rochor. Little India is commonly known as the Tekka in the Indian Singaporean community. Visitors can see places of worship of different religions and a variety of different religions and a variety of different business ranging from electrical supplies, hardware, second-hand goods, alongside traditional spice grinders and grocers. Little India is, as the name promises, the center for the large Indian community in Singapore. Serangoon Road is the main commercial thoroughfare in Little India. Along Serangoon Road is the Tekka Center, the Tikka Mall, the Little India Arcade, Serangoon Plaza, and the Mustafa Center on a side road. Farrer Park Fields is located in the district. Several Hindu temples, mosques, and other places of worship include Far Korsan Mangi God Temple, Hocho Methodist Church, Kambang Kapur Methodist Church, which was completed in 1927, Sri Veeramahakaliamman Temple, Jalan Mosque, and the Central Sikh Gurudwara. These are the cultural centers we can see in the area of Little India. The Sri Veeramahakaliamman Temple is one of the oldest Hindu temple in Singapore. The temple is dedicated to its namesake, better known as the goddess and destroyer of evil, Kali. This temple was built by early Indian immigrants and settlers in 19th century Singapore. Sri Srinivasa Perumal Temple along Serangoon Road is a Hindu temple built in the late 1800s to Sri Srinivasa Perumal or Lord Vishnu, the preserver and protector of the universe. The temple is the starting point for Kavadi carriers during the annual Thaipuyam celebrations. Sakaya Muni Buddha Gaya Temple is also called the Temple of Thousand Lights due to the 15-meter tall 300-ton statue housed with its walls. The Buddhist temple is Singapore's Little India is an electric mix of Chinese, Thai and Indian styles dating back to 1927. Then fourth is the House of Tan Thang Nia, stands out in Little India with its bright rainbow hues, but also because it is one of the last surviving Chinese villas in a largely Indian enclave. Then fifth is the Mustafa Center. Is open 24 hours a day and stocked with just about everything under the sun, with over 3 lakh items stocked over 4 floors and at cheaper prices to boot. People shop here in late night in this Little India treasure. Mustafa Center now concerns passes, visa services, travel agencies, jewelry, catering and even a hotel. Then sixth is the Tekka Center is home to Havakar Center with a wide variety of good low priced street food. The Indian food is particularly good at this historically popular wet market renowned for fresh produce. It is also home to a host to little sundry stalls selling everything covering household goods, religious goods and even tailoring services. Then seventh is the Indian Heritage Center. This popular storied building houses a significant collection of artifacts promoting the diverse Indian diaspora and heritage, including a permanent exhibition of the history of the Indian community in Singapore. Then eighth is the Little India Arcade is a collection of shop houses that are back to 1920s with narrow always selling all sorts of sundry novelties alongside street food stalls and other eateries. And ninth is the Banana Leaf Polo is one of the best places for a good hearty meal in Little India, with over 40 years of experience and several outlets outlets around the island serving both North and South Indian cuisine. The fish head curry is the star dish for your foray into Indian food, but don't miss out on mutton, Mysore chicken, masala, and biryani. Ninth is the Komala Vilas is an institution in the Little India dining scene, a family-run restaurant especially famous for its South Indian vegetarian cuisine, delicious dosai, masala dosai, South Indian coffee extra. There are several branches within the Little India area, but this one at Sirangan Road is the original outlet opened in 1947. The famous South Indian and North Indian restaurants in Little India are Kamala Restaurant and Komala Villas food Tanjore district. It is from Tanjore district, Tamil Nadu. Then Banana Leaf, Apollo, Madras, New Woodlands are from Tamil Nadu. Langana, Barefoot Dining. Then Kansama Tandoori Restaurant. Then Muthu's Curry from Tamil Nadu. Jaggi's Punjabi food north from North India. Mustard Kebab Gali food, kebabs and curries, South Indian and Central Asian foods upon the Mustafa Center Mall. Then the Anand Bhavan restaurant, Punjabi Grill, Sam's Curry restaurant, the Song of India extra are there. Please like, share and subscribe the channel Ram's Travel Diary. Thank you.